Hi, I'm Carma Henson, a partner at HensonFuerst Attorneys, serving all of North Carolina. Much of the work that I do here involves representing people who are residents in nursing homes and their families. Today, I want to talk with you about one specific area of concern to me as an attorney and an advocate, and that is liability insurance. Liability insurance covers a nursing home if it is found guilty of wrongdoing in regards to patient care. It might really surprise you to discover that nursing homes and assisted living facilities in North Carolina are not required to have liability insurance. Yep, you heard me right. Nursing homes and assisted living facilities are not required to carry liability insurance in the state of North Carolina. Now, you and I are required to carry liability insurance just to drive on our streets. But our laws don't require that of the people and the companies that are responsible for taking care of our frail and elderly senior citizens. Now that seems very odd to me, and it doesn't seem right. Other states require nursing homes to carry liability insurance. So, in North Carolina, some nursing homes do carry it and some do not. My advice to you, when you are considering placing your loved one in a nursing home, or even if you already have, is to ask the question directly. Now, the nursing home operators may try to duck out of answering that question, but insist on straight answers. You should ask, do you have liability insurance? If the answer is yes, then you should ask, how much coverage do you have? You see, some nursing homes may carry a lot of coverage, such as $1 million policy. But there are many other nursing homes, and especially assisted living facilities, that can claim they have coverage, but in reality have very small policies. For instance, they may have policies with face amounts as little as $50,000 or $100,000. And if your loved one is seriously injured, neglected, or abused, then that $50,000 or $100,000 in coverage likely will not be enough to compensate your loved one for their injuries. What is just as insulting to me is the fact that nursing homes do not have to tell you whether they have insurance or not, or what kind of policy they have. But I still encourage you to ask these questions. The better nursing homes should be happy to tell you that they are well covered and have insurance to protect the residents. They should be happy to tell you that they are prepared and willing to take responsibility if your loved one is hurt by their negligence or abuse. I'm going to end by making one suggestion. Ask yourself if you would willingly put your loved one in a nursing home or an assisted living facility that's not willing to prove to you that they have sufficient liability insurance coverage. If they're not forthcoming with you about it, then you should wonder why. This is Carma Henson of HensonFuerst Attorneys. We have additional information on our website at www.lawmed.com. And remember, if you have questions, HensonFuerst has answers.